Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact Astro Bot version you have and noting the release number so there's no mismatch. Backup configuration files, databases, and any API tokens to a secure folder. This preserves state if rollback is needed. Next, stop the bot process cleanly and confirm there are no active sessions or scheduled jobs running. Once those steps are done, you're ready to fetch the update package and prepare the environment for installation. Now download the verified Astro Bot update package and check the checksum to ensure integrity. Install any new dependencies and run database or schema migrations. Update environment variables as required for new features. Apply the code changes, then run unit tests followed by a quick smoke test in a local or staging environment to exercise core flows. If tests pass, prepare the deployment artifact. If not, address failures, rerun tests, and only then proceed to production rollout. Deploy the updated Astro Bot using a zero downtime or rolling restart strategy so users aren't impacted. Once deployed, monitor logs, performance metrics, and health endpoints closely for at least 15 to 30 minutes to catch regressions. Verify critical integrations and authenticate flows behave as expected. If anything goes wrong, trigger the rollback plan. Stop the deployment, restore the backup, revert configuration, and restart the previous version. A key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.